this report for the 30th of August. So let's see what's in store for us for the 30th of August. Right, hold on, yeah. Okay, so today I would like to talk about the cryptocurrency updates, and it was also some good timing also because we had news coming out from the cryptocurrency world, right? So in the past, right, institutions would not even touch cryptocurrency with a 10-foot pole. Okay, of late the tune has changed. I do notice that, and it's getting more and more evident. Okay, analysts at JPMorgan, we know what JPMorgan did in the past, right? They were the first to really go to oppose the cryptocurrency as a Bitcoin, and the CEO Jamie Dimon has warned his staff, anyone who talks about it to invest in this would be fired. Now, this is the very same bank who once barred it, is now calling the crypto bottom. They are not only bullish, they're calling it a crypto bottom. So why is there such a big change in stance? From the past you're against it, and then after that relaxing it, coming out with the Bitcoin 101 Bitcoin to inform his investors, and right now having his analysts talk about Bitcoin. So this is definitely a big change in the stance of how they look at cryptocurrency, these institutions. So on August 15, Jacobi FT Wilshire Bitcoin ETF went live and traded under the ticker symbol BCOIN on the Euronext Amsterdam. Now this is a European-based Bitcoin ETF, and Jacobi CEO Martin Bednall told Decrypt, right? We believe this ETF launch will be the catalyst for institutional adoptions of digital assets. So there you have the first world, the first Bitcoin ETF in the world already launched mid of August this month. Okay, so once Bitcoin ETF launches, right? You have those big boys, what you call like pension funds, family offices, and deep pocket investors. They're poised to play a very significant role in the next crypto bull run, and distinguishing itself from previous bull runs, which were dominated by retailers. So if there's a bull run this time, and before, let's say the expectation for that bull run is to come in April next year, right, with the halving and whatnot. So if you have the ETFs coming in before that, then you could actually see there's a change where the buyers this time are people with deep pockets instead of the retailers. There's this possibility happening. So in the past, Bitcoin has been leading. Okay, we're always talking about Bitcoin. They have been leading the cryptosphere and hence hog the spotlight in mainstream media. But also don't forget there are other coins, and as Bitcoin rises, the entire cryptosphere will rise accordingly. And this is especially to Ethereum. Now, according to cryptocurrency analyst James L. Tucher, Ethereum's adoption is growing at an even faster rate than Bitcoin, with projections indicating that the entire crypto space reaching billions of users about 4 to 5 years from now, right? So a look into the Ethereum, what's really happening and how it's going to help the whole entire cryptocurrency industry is one of the things that's going to happen. Soon we will have this Ethereum EIP 4844 upgrade. And this protocol is expected to go live in Q4 2023. Now, the purpose of this upgrade is to reduce fees, speed up transactions, and maintaining high-level security via partitioning a database into smaller data segments to speed up process, where the throughput is increased from currently 100 to 1,000, and later on predicted to eventually increase to 100,000. Okay, so that's going to speed up, all the transactions that you're seeing right now. Now, having all these developments, we have seen Bitwise, ProShares, Volatility Shares, and Brownhill have recently submitted applications to offer Ether futures ETFs. And Bloomberg reported that SEC is unlikely to block any Ethereum futures ETF. So that is one good progress from that. We already have the Bitcoin futures ETF, but how soon this is going to come, if everything goes smoothly, we would see the first Ethereum futures filings ETF as early as October. Okay, so finally, now this news just came out late last night, early today. I had a chance to go through and wrote just a bit about it, just touch, because it's not, it's just news, and but it's something I see very, very positive for the cryptocurrency. We have Grayscale Investments winning its case over the Securities Exchange Commission for denying Grayscale to convert its Bitcoin trust into spot Bitcoin ETF. So this could pave way for the first one. Okay, the first Bitcoin ETF. It's definitely a win, but it does not guarantee, because we have seen that before, that you can go through the Court of Appeal and everything. All this will take time. But unless, the SEC throws in the towel, say, I give up and relent and approve it, that could happen as early as the first week of September. We don't know. But anyway, for this, SEC has 45 days to appeal today's court decision. Okay, they have that time frame to do that. And there wasn't any feedback from the SEC, but I do expect them to give their feedback soon and probably go for an appeal and everything and whatnot. But definitely the entire cryptocurrency industry is like they are very, very, very excited and looking into this still, because based on the progress that we've seen so far, from the repo winning the court case and now Grayscale winning court case, the general consensus and the feeling is that we would be seeing the first Bitcoin ETF soon, and that could pave way for the entire cryptocurrency to start move up from the bottoms already. This is something that we expect, but do bear in mind, this is just an announcement so far, and until I really do see a real win, this really does not mean anything at all. Okay, this don't mean anything at all until it's really confirmed that we have a Bitcoin ETF. Then you will see prices really, really pushing up, the first North American Bitcoin ETF. Okay, so that's the update for the news today. Thank you. Let's move to the charts.